Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to convert a picture to a video from this to this. Stay with me till the end of this video and make sure you don't miss out on any step. Let's go. So let's convert your favorite picture to a video. Okay, let's move to the system now. So you go to your browser, then let's create a new tab and type in this link. Wait for it to load. So once it comes up, you sign in with your mail. I usually don't like wasting my time, so I'm just going to sign in with my already existing mail. So do that, sign in with your mail. So let's wait for it to load. Confirm. And now we are in. So we have the interface of the AI that does the transformation, that does the conversion. So we have a lot of them. You can create effects. You can even create animation. You can have two pictures where you're transiting from one form to the other. You get, and you can also add sound. You can add speech, just like a voiceover while converting. If they have presets, they have different styles. So you can choose your style. But I like leaving it that way. You can also extend it, like, because it's going to give you a 5-second movement. Okay. You can also extend it if you want. So that's what this function is for. So right now we're going to, I want to convert my image. So you come here, click on the image. All right. Okay. So I have this picture of myself and my guys during my wedding. I want to make them. Okay. So I think I should first of all show you the picture. It's coming up. All right. It's coming up. It's loading. But then I want to show you the picture so you know how the picture looks. So this is the picture, like you can see. So this is a picture of myself and this fine guy, yeah, and his guys. Okay, so I'm going to convert this picture right now to a video. Okay, so what do I want this AI to do for me right now? What do I want? Okay, so I'm going to tell the AI, I need you to make the guys move around and shake hands. Should I add something else? While smiling and giggling. Okay, I love this part. So let's do this now. So I've given instruction. So when you're done, you give the instruction of the exact thing you want. For me, I want them to shake hands. All right. It's been long I saw them. So let's create a memory. Now, when I'm done with instruction now, I'll go to create. All right. Then create, and let's watch the magic. Okay, it's coming. So it's creating. So let's wait for it to come up. So I'm okay. It's already here. Now it's going to take its time to do the conversion. So I'm going to cut. Oh, it's already here. It's already here. Isn't this beautiful, man? This is beautiful. All right. So I love this. These are my guys shaking hands. Now, so let me, if I want to add, okay, let me say I want to add a sound to it. Okay. So you can come here, or beneath it here, you can say add sound. All right. Let me give a background sound. You can decide to restyle it. You can decide to add speech, that's voiceover over it, and you can also try another style. You can, if maybe you're not satisfied with how the movement is, you can retry to get a better thing. Okay. So for now, I just want to add sound. So let's add sound. Add a melodious blues. I love blues. So add a melodious blues sound in the background. Played. Okay, let's say played with saxophone. So I'm done with this now. So now this is it now. So it's going to add the sound for me. Now it's creating. Let's wait. Your job is just to give the instruction, and it's going to perform the magic. And here we have it. You like that, man? This is Beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. So guys, now what will you be trying this week now? Are you going to try with your best picture, your favorite picture? Okay, so if you haven't, or you're just visiting our site, our channel for the first time, please show some love by hitting the subscribe button, like, share, so other people can see this beautiful AI. I would like to see you in this video. So drink water and mind your business. Cheers.